Hello guys, in this video, we will compare Tastytrade and Thinkorswim and help you decide which platform is better for trading in 2025. So let's start with Tastytrade. Tastytrade is a modern platform designed for options and derivatives traders. It focuses on strategy-based trading and educational content. While Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade is an industry leader offering advanced tools, charting, and flexible order types for all types of assets, such as stocks, options, futures, and forex. So let's break them down. Number one, for their interface. Tastytrade has a clean interface but fewer customization options, while Thinkorswim offers a more complex but flexible layout for experienced users. Number 2, features. Thinkorswim dominates in technical tools, indicators, and asset classes, while Tastytrade simplifies options change, offers fast execution, and integrates educational videos in real time. Number 3, education. Both platforms provide great education, but Tastytrade is known for its daily live shows and practical trading lessons. Number 4, commissions. Both offer zero commission on stock trades. Tastytrade has a flat rate for options, while Thinkorswim has more variable pricing but often includes discounts for high volume trades. So, for final verdict, choose Tastytrade for focused, strategy-based options trading and fast learning, while pick Thinkorswim for complete market access and advanced technical features. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.